I'm Scott Hawkins. Ruth Hawkins was my stepmom. She was devoted to her family, devoted to church, and devoted to making everyone around her a better person. Antoine, he was my stepbrother. We grew up together, we played together, we had a great bond. They were on their way to Texas to celebrate Easter with my stepsister Rashida. They were traveling from Jackson, Tennessee, where they'd just picked up Janice. Janice, she was my sister. I can truly say that for her 20 years of life, me and my sister got along like best friends. My nephew, Antoine Jr., loved to play with his cousins. He loved to play with trains. He just enjoyed being a young kid. He was 3. He didn't get a chance to enjoy life. They were traveling through a construction zone when they were rear-ended by a semi-truck. We chose Warshafsky because to them, it was more about taking care of us and not just a settlement. There were other firms that wanted us to settle quick, settle fast, so they can get their paycheck. They weren't concerned with us. The Warshafsky firm asked questions about us as a family, how we were doing and how we were handling the situation. One of my family members chose a law firm from the West Coast. That firm tried to convince them to settle for $750,000. The $750,000 they offered was the limit for the insurance carrier for the semi-truck driver. Warshafsky was able to get down to the root of the accident and realize that the actual person at fault was the construction company. In the construction zone that they were traveling, the construction company had made it convenient for them to pull in to their areas, but not convenient for drivers to flow through smoothly. By proving who was responsible for the accident, Warshafsky was able to get us $3.9 million instead of the $750,000 that the other company was offering for liability. Attorney Frank Crivello of Warshafsky Law Firm made me feel like more than just a client. He made me feel like a friend, a family member, like a person that he cared about. 12 years after the accident, I still talk to Frank Crivello. He's become a friend of mine. I don't wish tragedy on anyone, but if there's a tragedy in your life, the Warshafsky Law Firm will take care of you and your family.